I'm going to solve the chapter exponent and of this exercise 2a. Here we have to start. The first question is said evaluate. 4 to the power minus 3. Solutions of this question is 1 by 4 to the power 3. As we know, we have to write the reciprocal of this number. So 4, so 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 into 4 into 4, it means 1 by 64, and this one the answer of it. The next one is question number 3, 1 of 3, 4 by 3 to the power minus 3. Solutions. As we know, when any rational number has the integer is in negative form, this rational number will be written here as a reciprocal of it. So 3 by 4 to the power 3, and this negative integer will become here positive integer. Then 3 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 3, it means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 3 will be written in 3 times and 4 will be written in also 3 times. So it becomes here 64, and this one the answer of it. In question number 4 also, minus 3 to the power minus 4. Very simple. As we know, 1 is laying in the place of denominator. So this one 3 by 1 to the power minus 4. This one the question. Here it will be written 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power 4, and minus 1 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. The simplification of it is 1, and 3 3 are 9, 9 are 81, and this one the answer of it. And last one, question number 5, minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 5. Here, see, we will do the same process. At first, right here, the reciprocal of this number minus 3 by 2, and the exponent will become here in positive, negative exponent, negative integer will become here in positive form. So, minus 3 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5, the answer will minus 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, and 81 3 are 243, and this one 32. Thus, question number 1 is completed. Now, question number 2, evaluate. Evaluate first 5 by 3 to the power 2 into 5 by 3 to the power 2. Solutions of it. The base here 5 by 3 and 5 by 3. In both cases 5 by 3 is taken here as a base. So 5 by 3 will take as a common, and both integers will be both both integers here, this degrees, you may say the power will be added here, and 5 by 3 to the power 4, and 5 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4. 625 and 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. This one the answer of it. And in question number 2 also, 5 by 6 to the power 6 into 5 by 4 to the power minus 4. 5 by 6. In both cases, this one the common, or you say this one the base, and their exponent will be added here. So 5 by 6 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 by 6 to the power 2, 25 by 36, and this one the simplifications of it. Thus, question number 2 is completed, and rest 2 questions you will try your own level test. See here, the question number 3. Question is written 5 by 9 to the power minus 2, 3 by 5 to the power minus 3, and 3 by 5 to the power 0. Solutions here. So it may write 9 by 5 to the power 2 into 5 by 3 to the power 3 and into 1, because as we know 3 by 5 to the power 0, it means 1. 9 9 ja 81 and 5 5 ja 25 into 5 5 ja 25 and 25 5 ja 125 and 3 here 27 into 1, 27 3s are, and 25 5 ja. So 3 5 the 15, and 15 is the answer of this question. Question number 2, minus 3 by 5 to the power minus 4 into minus 2 by 5 to the power 2. See, minus 3 by 5 and here minus 2 by 5. So both are not equal. Here at first we have to simplify these numbers. So 5 minus 5 by 3 to the power 4 into 5 by minus 5 by 2 to the, sorry, this one not the negative integer, so it will be written as it is. So here minus 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4 into minus 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 2. The simplifications of minus 5 to the power 4, it means 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125 and 625, 3 3 ja 9 9 ja 81, here 2 2 ja 4 and this one the 25. 25 25 ja 625, 25 into 4 by 81, it means 100 by 81, and this one the simplifications. Thus the question number 3 is completed. Now see in question number 4, evaluate. Here we have to simplify this one. So minus 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. and minus 2 is given. So 2 2 ja 4, minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, the simplification is 4, and 3 3 ja 9, and the exponent is here minus 2. Write it in the reciprocal form of it, and the power to 9 9 ja 81 and 4 4 ja 16. This one the answer. You may do it in another way. Minus 2 by 3 to the power 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 4. Here you may write in the reciprocal form of 2 by 3, and negative exponent will change into here positive. So minus 3 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 4. 3 3 are 9, 81 by 16. In both cases, we will get the same answer. So you are totally depend. It's totally depends on your own convenient. Which method is easy for you, so you can do so. Here, in question number 2, also it may do in this way or that way. Which one is very easy? Which one is convenient for you? Which one is easy for you? So you may do. Minus 1 by 3 to the power 2, minus 2, then minus 1. We have this one the question. Minus 1, when we simplify it, minus 1 become here plus 1 and 3 3 are 9. Then minus 2 and once again minus. It may write 9 by 1 to the power 9 by 1 to the power 2, and after that minus 1. 9 9 ja 81 and by 1, here this power is minus 1. It may write 1 by 81 because the exponent is in negative form. So the simplification, this rational number will write it here in the reciprocal form, and exponent 1 will be hidden. So this time the question number 4 is completed. See, question number 5. Evaluate 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 under bracket divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. We will solve it. So 3 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3 divided by here 4 to the power 3. When we simplify it, 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 minus 8 divided by 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64. So 17 minus 8, 9, 19 divided by 64. The answer is 19 by 64. This one the simplification of question number 5. In question number 6, the question is written. Also, we will write it 3 by 4 minus 4 by 1 to the power minus 1. Take the LCM 4, 3 minus 16 to the power minus 1 minus 13 by 4 to the power minus 1, and the answer is minus 4 by 13. Thus, in this video, I have given question number 1 up to 6, all the simplifications, and the rest of the questions you will have to solve by yourselves. Now see the question number 7. Also, it will simplify like the previous question. Solutions. It will write here 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 6. So 1 by 15 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 6. Here 15 divided by 1 by 6. It means 15 into 6 by 1. 90 by 1. It means 90. As we know, 1 is always laying in the place of diameter. In question number 8, 2 to the power 0, it means 1, plus 3 to the power minus 1, it means 1 by 3, into 3 3 is 9. Take the LCM 3. 3 plus 1 into 9, 4 by 3 into 9, 3 3s are, and the simplification of it 12. This one the answer of it. Thus, both questions are easy, and here one or two questions of the same exercise, the same questions. Question number 8. Here you will try your level best. I have given the homework for you, and the rest question number 9 to 13 it will be given in the another video. Till, have a nice day, and you must have to labor hard, and you will definitely get success. It's my wishes. Have a nice day. Thank you.